Hi and welcome back to Spot on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your phone by using Bluetooth in 2026 Volkswagen Taos. This is also gonna apply to Volkswagen Taos earlier years starting from 2022. If this video helps, please like, share and subscribe. Switch to your main infotainment screen and select phone. Now you're gonna use this information to connect your phone. On the phone that you're trying to connect, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And then you will have to search for my VW 4478 on your device. So I can see it, it is right there. So you wanna press on that. Now you got the pass key. And this passkey needs to be matched with this one. And if it does, you will have to select pair. And also you will have to select yes on your infotainment screen. And now at this point your phone is fully connected to your vehicle. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.